Here we have a 2017 BMW 530d M Sport. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 19-inch alloy wheels in excellent unmarked, unscratched condition. Coming around to the front here, you'll see the vehicle itself is finished in a black sapphire metallic exterior paintwork. Got these fantastic looking headlights which look superb. We've got the black kidney grills. We've got some M Sport badging on the side. As you can see, we have got a full M Performance kit on this vehicle as well. We've then got the colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles, side skirt at the bottom there, shark fin antenna. We've got the privacy glass and black trim around the windows for the rear passengers, black trim all the way around. Coming to the rear, we do have both front and rear parking sensors with visual display inside. We've got the dual exit exhaust, one on either side there as well. Now as you can see, the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and here's a closer look at one of those alloy wheels. Now if we go on to the interior, we have got a full black Dakota leather interior with the exclusive seam. How fantastic do these seats look? Open it up, we've got our lovely trim just there, plenty of leather as well, gives it a really luxurious feel. We've got our electric wing mirrors, electric window controls, auto lights, electrically adjustable seats which are also heated, plenty of features in here like cruise control, speed limiter. We've got the intelligent safety, different driving modes, plenty of great features. Satellite navigation, like I said, the parking sensors, Bluetooth connectivity, and much more. Much more coming on this car very soon, but for now, that is all. The vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Video test drive for this BMW 530d. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how they should. So starting off, we do have both speed limiter and cruise control on the steering wheel here. To activate cruise control, I'll simply press the cruise button, push up, and we're now cruising at our current speed. I can adjust the speed very easily with this trigger in increments of 1 or to the nearest 5, and then to deactivate this I can simply press cruise control and we're back to manual control. Now I can also do that by pressing the brake too. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 6th gear, down to 5th, down to 4th, back to 5th, 6th and 7th. And as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly how you would expect. Now we are going to be taking a left at this roundabout as if you were here with me today, and it's definitely worth mentioning the comfort of this vehicle. So we've got the full black Dakota leather interior with the exclusive seam, which gives it a very luxurious feel and look. Incredibly comfortable. We've got our infotainment screen here with plenty of features, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio, etc. Heated seats as well. We've got some good performance figures too. You're talking around 261 horsepower, which will reach you 0 to 60 in around 5.7 seconds. So it's certainly no slouch either. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last year and a half as well. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge impact on many businesses and still is doing to this day, we feel like we're quite well prepared. So we have adjusted our deliveries ever so slightly to make them contactless, and what this means is we'll sanitize our hands, we'll sanitize the keys, and we'll just do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself, just to ensure your safety and our own. Now we are a 5-star dealership as well. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares, and we really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now I'm about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake and also demonstrate the reverse works as it should. So emergency braking in 3, 2, 1. There we go, very sharp on the brakes just there, straight into reverse, front and rear parking sensors with visual display, all working as they should as well. Now we are just about to go over a speed bump, so listen out for any sounds. There we go, and as you can tell, no knocks or bangs throughout this whole journey, which obviously you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome if you wish to view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed, and the online photos, the video test drive, or the video walk around, then feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That's all from me on this occasion. Thank you for watching and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.